Google has turned the AI Studio into the most powerful AI tool on the planet. You can now easily generate videos inside it. You can stream in real time with the custom voice and in any language, and your AI assistant will literally see your screen, hear your mic, and respond like a real person. And here you will also get the access to the world's smartest AI model, the Gemini 2.5. And the best part is that it is absolutely free. So now let's go ahead and test out all the new features together. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to aistudio.google.com, and this is where you will access the Google AI Studio. You will see that the UI has been completely transformed. It looks so much cleaner and it is so much easier to use now if you are not a developer. On the left side, we have a collapsible menu and a bunch of things have been added to this list. So the first thing that sticks out to me is obviously the video generation. So now the Google AI Studio also provides you the option to generate the video. In order to generate a video here, you can either type out your prompt or upload an image, run it, and the AI will generate the video for you. And here on the right hand side, you have different run settings. This is the model. Then you have the option to choose the number of videos to be returned as the output. We have got different aspect ratios, like one for YouTube videos, and then we have a portrait for TikToks or Reels, etc. Then down here, we can also control the duration of the generated video between 5 seconds and 8 seconds. Then we have the frame rate, resolution, and you can also provide the negative prompt to describe what is not to be done. So let's go ahead and test out this new feature of the Google AI Studio. So firstly, I'm going to provide it the prompt that says a swirling abstract scene with vibrant colors and geometric shapes, slowly morphing into a calming ocean landscape with gentle waves. Let's see how it generates a video. Alright, so here is the output of our video. Let's view it in full screen. You can see that just like we prompted it, we have different shapes in abstract form and it is slightly morphing into light waves of the ocean. So the video is really great. Let's try it out with another example. This time I'm gonna ask it to turn the word skill curve into bright yellow jello, 3D text jumping up and down in a kitchen on a circular blue jello dish. Let's see if it is able to generate this video or not. And if yes, then what is the quality of the video, and if it is, it matches our prompt or not. Alright, so here is the output of our video. Let's view it in the full screen mode. And you can see that we have the word skill curve, which is floating over a jello. So you can see that its video generation feature is pretty strong. So these were the examples where you can actually provide a prompt and then the Google AI Studio will generate the video for you. But here it also have the option to generate a video from an image. So let me quickly show you. Firstly, I'm going to upload an image. It is actually an image of a perfume, and for the prompt, I'm going to ask it to animate this. Let's see how it responds. Alright, so here is the output. Let's quickly view our video. Let's play it. So this is how the animation looks like. You can see that it was a still image and they converted it into this beautiful animation that looks quite realistic. So currently the Google AI Studio also only allows you to have a video generated for a duration of max 8 seconds. The frame rate is maximum 24 frames per second and the resolution is 720p. But they are currently working on it and they will provide you better values for the frame rate and the resolution too. Next up, we have got the stream in real time window, which has just been upgraded as well. First of all, it looks so much better and it's definitely easier to use. You can actually talk to the Gemini live here. You can also share your camera with it and you can also share your screen with it to get the assistance in real time. But definitely the most impressive addition is here on the right hand side, because now you can actually pick a custom voice when you talk to the Gemini. So here, out of all of these options, I can literally select any of these voices and then have Gemini talk back to me in this voice. And the other upgrade that we got is this language one. Now you can actually select from 30 different languages while streaming in Gemini. So you can actually talk to Gemini in the Spanish language, Russian language, French, or any other language. So this feature is really helpful for a person whose first language is not English and who want to actually use this feature for different purpose. So here, firstly, I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to share a new Chrome tab with it. Now, I want to ask it, I want to find the cheapest flight from Islamabad to Dubai. Can you help me?
I can help with that. Have you already checked any flight comparison websites?
No.
All right. Shall I search for flights from Islamabad to Dubai on Google? Search results for flights from Islamabad to Dubai, which
So which link should I click?
I see options for Emirates, Systaticket.pk, and Skyscanner. You have a preference among these?
No.
I see on Skys.
Yes, please.
Do you want me to select the show flights option for Serene Air?
Okay. These are all the flights.
Is there anything else I can help you with regarding this flight?
No, thank you. That's all. So here I selected Puck for the voice, but you can always go ahead and choose any other voice, either voice of a male or female. And similarly, you can select any language in which you want to interact with the Google AI Studio, and then the Talk to Gemini assistant will actually talk back to you in your selected language. After that, we have a few major upgrades inside our chat window as well. First of all, you can see that it's under the run settings, you now have the access to the newly released Gemini 2.5 Pro model, which is the best model among all of the available models. Well, you must be thinking that all of these different features were already present, then what's the new thing? So if you see a little item right here which says the prompt gallery, it is easily accessible now, and it is actually the best way to learn how to prompt correctly for Gemini. So if you want to write any prompt, you can go ahead and pick from this list right here, and you can always go ahead and learn how to prompt correctly. Then right here on the top, we also have the system instructions, which is basically amazing for creating custom bots for specific tasks. Those are kind of your GPTs or the gems in the Gemini, which is amazing. And here now we also have a compare mode. So let's quickly firstly go ahead and test out the system instructions. So here I actually want to create a recipe suggestion bot that will provide me recipes along with all the steps to create the dish on the basis of the ingredients that I provided. So here inside this system prompt, system instructions, I'm going to provide it just suggest recipes based on the ingredients I input. For example, if I enter chicken, garlic and potatoes, suggest a recipe and show the steps. So now if I type here the ingredients like chicken, cheese, potatoes and rice, let's see how it responds. So now it is going to look for the system instructions. It is going to perform thinking on our prompt, and on the basis of our system instruction, it has performed the operation and has provided us the recipe. So if you scroll up a little bit, you can see that it has provided us the recipes, which is of a hearty casserole. You can see that there is the amount of all the different ingredients. They have provided us the equipment and the steps to create the dish. In this way, you can provide different type of system instructions so that the Google AI Studio can act as a specific AI assistant or the bot for that specific purpose. And then lastly, we have the compare mode inside the chat. So the compare mode actually allows you to literally run the same prompt or the same question with two different models of your choice. You can see that this is how the interface of the compare mode looks like. You simply have to provide the prompt to both of these, select your appropriate model, and then the same prompt will be run with two different models and will provide you two different answers. And then you can easily compare those answers to see which one provides the best answers for your prompt. So now in order to test out the feature, I'm going to go with the Gemini 2.5 Pro preview, and I'm going to go with Gemini 2.0 Flash. So now I'm going to provide the prompt right here that says analyze the sentiment of the following customer review. The product was great, but the delivery was late and frustrating. So once I run it, the same prompt will run two times, one with the Gemini 2.5 Pro preview and the other one with the Gemini 2.0 Flash. Let's see how both of these respond. You can see that Gemini 2.0 Flash is insanely fast and has provided us the response, whereas the Gemini 2.5 is still thinking. So the response generated by both of these models is about the same, but if we see the length of the response, we can clearly see that Gemini 2.5 Pro provided us a brief and concise answer, whereas the response of Gemini 2.0 Flash is really long and extensive. But if we talk about the speed, then Gemini 2.0 Flash was insanely fast and provided us the response when the Gemini 2.5 Pro was still thinking. So in this way, you can use the compare mode inside the chat window to compare the performance of two different models provided by the Google. And by default, the Google AI Studio does not save your chats. So if you move your window to some other place, then you will most probably lose your chat. But if you want your chat to be saved right here inside the Google AI Studio to be checked on later, then you simply have to go to the settings and you have this toggle button for the autosave. You simply have to turn it to on, and all your chats will be saved right here inside the history. So these were all the features which have been currently upgraded by the Google AI Studio. So I'll highly encourage all of you to try it out for yourselves. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.